First things first, I appreciate your support. So I'll say this: some of you guys don't deserve to have a washing machine. These machines deserve better. Before we proceed, kindly like, subscribe, and share. Now, it's easy to remove the soap dispenser. Let's have a look at this machine from the inside. Man, this is rotten. This is avoidable. This is easy to fix. You only need a brush and a clean piece of cloth. Like, this machine has never been serviced since it was purchased. The machine was smelling on opening the door. The filters were clogged. So the client called me because the door was not locking. So we replaced the door switch. But man, look at this. Because I advised the client that the machine needs urgent maintenance, thorough cleaning. But the client was like, no, my machine is okay, it's washing well. All I need is the door to lock. I just need it repaired. She insisted on that, so we had no option but just repair the machine. No service. Look at this. The filters at the back, the inlet filter was blocked. So the machine will take a lot of time to wash. It was giving her an IE error code. But you know what? She was like, when the error code pops up, she pauses the machine, then starts over again. What she doesn't know is more power, more electricity bills, because the machine takes time to wash. This is avoidable. Don't play yourself. Book for maintenance. Book for service.